A very good day to all, and today we are going to dismantle and open this RD350, which has come for restoration from the single owner itself. It's a nice high top bike, very decent. I mean, the condition is very good. It's only come for a makeover. I'd washed the bike and I'd kept. Seat is good. We have to change the seat patra because the seat is not aligned properly. It has to be in the center. It is like this. So tank and panel will go for painting. The whole bike engine will go for painting, but nothing will be, the engine is in a very good condition. The health is very nice, so we are not restoring the engine or doing anything to the engine. The engine, only the block and the head will be open. Block will be painted. The head inside will be painted, and it will be buffed. The casing will be buffed, and this will be repainted. It's an 84 high top, Jan 84 high top, made in Japan. It's original carburetors. Bike is in a very, very good shape. The engine is very good. The health of the engine is very good, and it runs brilliant. So here are the things that we are going to do to the bike. Also, it's running a CDI, but this is the first bike which I liked on CDI because this is running a very different CDI, and the bike is running very good, very smooth, and very fast as well. How it runs on points. A little bit lag is there, but eventually CDIs lag a lot, and I don't like CDI bikes, but this is the first RD which I like on CDI, and it's very well maintained from the owner itself, single owner itself, which has come to us for restoration. It's having made exhaust, but they sound very crisp, very nice. And also, yes, few things that we have to order. I have ordered a ignition lock set for it, one key. I'm going to put US spec switches. It is running on local meters. I'm going to put original meters, either pre-call or Yankee, but the scene is Yankee. We should get those meters. The ignition is original, but the key comes out, so we need to put an ignition as well. Then when it comes to, we have to put a headlight. Let's put RD original indicator running on RX indicator. Mudguard is original. The front and rear mudguard original. Very good quality mudguard. Only it needs chroming and all that stuff. Very nice high quality chroming we need to do. We need to buff the front fork, front drum. It is having oil seal leakage. We'll have to replace the fork pipes and all that. So we'll be doing all that stuff in this video for you all to show how an RD350 gets restored. It's having very nice exhaust, made exhaust, but they're in very good shape. It's running a Charisma Rare shock ups. So we'll be eventually restoring the shock ups because it was brand new. So he doesn't want to change this. So we'll be, chroming this or, changing the color or something like that. And then it has original kick, it has original carburetor, it is having original high top blocks, 347. And yes, so I did a little bit of work. Firstly, the brake pedal was touching the silencer, so I got it, made it hot and just pulled it out a bit, so it gets aligned properly with the leg, to brake. First it was inside, so it was touching the silencer, and once it touches the silencer, the gap is very less, so the braking becomes less. So when you actually brake, you are touching the silencer. See, it's going so close to the silencer. So eventually we had to room it out for better braking. This bike came with dead brakes, so we had to resolve the brakes and stuff. So yeah, let's go and open it up part by part, and then we'll be putting new tires as well. This is an original grab rail to it, but it is broken. We'll be re-welding this because this, you don't get this original round one. The local ones come with a putty like this, but this is an original grab rail, so we need to restore this. Carrier is local, but it's fine. You don't get the original carrier, but it's fine. It does the job. But this thing the original, we return it original. We'll try to put more and more original part in this as we open the bike up for restoration. We'll be putting an oil tank lens as well, restoring this tank back, oil tank back to its original form. We'll be putting the lens and everything back and restoring the whole bike to brand new. So check it out.